Hello everyone, welcome to Data Engineer YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how we can create an enterprise level chatbot and we will be using Azure AI service. Also, we will add a feature of voice service. That means you can speak with the chatbot. So let's get started. Also, the main bonus is it's a no-code solution. Definitely, we can customize it as per our wish using Azure REST APIs, but we will make it as simpler as possible. So let's get started. All right, I'll start from scratch. I have already created a resource group. Name is Suk POC, and I can just click on create button. Right, simple. So once I click on create button, I'll go to the marketplace and have we can have different resources. I just need to create a AI solution. So what I will do is I will go to AI and machine learning. All right. Now let's wait for it to load. It may take few time. Alright, so now we are in the Azure AI services. So let me just create an Azure AI service. Oops, I am not able to find it here. Let me quickly type it in search icon. So we can just search for the Azure OpenAI and let's create it. So I will just click on the create button to create this service. Alright, let me just select the resource group. It's loading. I'll be using my POC resource group. Alright, location I am selecting is to be India. You can select any location you want. I'm going with South India. My bot, I'm giving a random name, my bot SDFSD, and that's it. Right, I'll click on next. I will again click on next. It will validate this for some time and then we can click on create. Once we click on create, automatically my deployment will be submitted and the Azure AI service will be created for me. I also want to create a speech service. So what I will do is I will click on speech services and I'll create a speech service parallelly. So let me do that. I'm using my existing resource group which is SUK POC. Region is again I will go for India, Central India. Alright, I'm just giving it a random name, speech service, SUK POC, and pricing tier is I'll go for the free one. Okay, so free tier. I love the free tier, so I'm using the free tier. Alright, so let's click on create button and our Azure speech service will also be created. Parallelly what I will do is I'll go to my resource group which is SUK POC. It contains multiple things. Just a moment. All right. So the Azure Open AI service is already there. The speech service must be in progress, so it's not appearing. It's fine. So I'll go to the Azure AI Studio parallelly. And now let me just check if my speech service is created or not. Let me refresh. It's there, if you can see, right? Now, what I will do is I will go to deployments and I'll create a deployment. Okay. And deploy base model. We'll deploy a base model. We haven't customized it. It is just a base model. So I'll go with GPT 3.5, turbo, and I'll click on confirm. So once I do that, so Azure is a bit slow today, so it's taking some time for validation. Let's wait. Meanwhile, let me give you an update. So I have, fixed my voice issues. So you must see a mic here. And I have just, updated some infra. So do let me know how my audio quality is now versus earlier. And do comment, right? All right, let's wait. Let's wait. All right, so the deployment is finally completed and If I go to deployments, you will be able to see my model, right? Now let's use it. So I'll go to chat section, and once I go to chat section, my this model is deployed. Obviously, I can add my own data, personal data. Even you can modify a lot of things now. Like the AI studio is improving day by day. You can add filters. Everything can be possible. So we have data filters. You can block spams. You can do anything, right? Now I can just write hi in my chatbot, and it will say hello, how I can assist you today. I want that it whatever I speak, it should be listening to me, and it should speak out. So let's see how we can do that, right? I'll just click on this mic, and now it is asking me for something. It is asking me for the speech service. So I will click on the subscription. I'll click on the speech service which I recently created. I enable the speech to text and text to speech, right? I select any voice ever, whatever favorite voice you want, you can select from the list, and I'll acknowledge and I'll save. So as soon as I save, so if I click on this mic and speak up, for example, hi chatbot, how are you? So chatbot heard G word, so it's fine. All right, let me just stop it. So let me just send it. So now once I
Request to
send
the
it,
chat completions underscore create operation under Azure OpenAI API version 2024-10-01.
all right. So ideally, because recently I have used a lot of tokens, so it's giving me an error. But you will see whatever it replies, you will be able to hear that reply, right? So that's how we can use the voice service. So it will read out this part as well, the response as well. So this is how we can enable the voice services in the chatbot. And definitely, if you want to deploy it as a web app, you can just click on this, and it's UI based. Automatically it will create a web app. Now your question is, if you want a custom web app, then what to do? Then we will be using the REST APIs provided by the Azure. So this is the sample template, and go to Visual Studio, use this code, and then start coding and creating a beautiful UI, a chatbot, anything you want. So we can use that REST APIs. We can leverage the REST APIs to achieve a custom solution. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, do remember to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you share it with your friends. That's all from my end today. Thank you.